In the tranquil haven of Gloria's apartment, the air is thick with the comforting scent of old books and brewing tea. A steaming cup of tea radiates warmth beside a well-worn Bible, its yellowed pages telling tales of time and faith. Gloria softly declares, "I'm Gloria, and I find joy in simple things. A good book, a warm oven, and knowing my neighbors are doing okay." In the tranquil hallway of the independent living community, Gloria begins her day with a gentle gesture of neighborly care, carrying a tray of homemade cookies. Gloria's voice softly echoes, painting a vivid portrait of her home, a place brimming with life, laughter, and shared narratives. Her voiceover continues, describing her day of Bible reading, news updates, and the simple yet profound act of ensuring her neighbors' well-being. In the warm embrace of the dining room, Gloria's laughter mingles with friends, sharing cookies as sweet as their companionship. Gloria reflects on the profound bonds forged, as her friends have become her chosen family. In the bustling common room, Gloria unveils her wee bowling prowess, marking a triumphant strike that electrifies the room with applause and cheers. With understated confidence, Gloria reflects, "I'm pretty good at wee bowling, if I do say so myself." The common room erupts in joyous celebration, a symphony of clapping hands and spirited cheers echoing Gloria's victorious strike. Bathed in the soft glow of twilight, Gloria sits by the window, lost in contemplation as shadows lengthen across her face. In a voice tinged with vulnerability, Gloria softly declares, "I've been feeling different lately. My body isn't keeping up like it used to." With a heavy heart, Gloria admits, "I guess I might need assisted living," the weight of her words echoing in the silent room. Bathed in soft light, Gloria's gaze lingers on an old photograph, a poignant relic of time, evoking memories of radiant happiness. With tender affection, Gloria's fingers trace the frame, her heart swelling with bittersweet memories of John, her late husband. In a voice thick with emotion, Gloria whispers, "John was a truck driver. I'm here for others." In the hallway, Gloria waves with genuine cheerfulness at a new resident, her wide smile radiating warmth and welcome. Gloria, her heart brimming with kindness, carries a tray laden with food, personifying her unwavering dedication to serving others. Gloria reflects, "Life is about loving people, serving others, and waking up each day with purpose, regardless of age." Gloria, with a twinkle in her eye, turns to the camera, ready to share her wisdom. Gloria's voice fills the room, echoing a message of hope and beauty as she reassures, "You are not alone, and aging, while not easy, can still be beautiful." With a gentle smile, Gloria introduces herself. "I am Grandma Gloria, here to share my story, one cookie and one conversation at a time."